Hello everyone, my name is Satya. In this video, I will read this chapter. In case you want translation of this chapter in Hindi, you can comment me in the comment section. Abu Ali count his donkeys. Abu Ali counts his donkeys. Abu Ali bought 9 donkeys at a fair. He rode on one donkey on the way back home, and the other donkeys followed him. After some time, Abu Ali thought, I must make sure that all the donkeys are there. He turned around and began to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no, where is number 9? Abu Ali cried. Of course, Abu was riding donkey number 9, but he did not realize that. He jumped off his donkey and counted them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now there was 9 again. Abu Ali was happy. He climbed on the donkey and started on his way home. After some time, he turned to count his donkey again. Again he counted only 8. Funny Abu. He saw his friend Musa. Musa was much smarter than Abu Ali. Musa, Abu Ali called out to him, Please help me. I have 9 donkeys, but when I sit on one and count, there are only 8. When I get down and count, the last one comes back. Musa started laughing. I can see 10 donkeys, he said. The 10th donkey's name is Abu Ali. Musa laughed and went away. Abu Ali understood what had happened. So, this was the whole English reading video. I hope you like this video. If you want Hindi translation of this video, you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next story.